Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2025 Volkswagen Taos and I will show you how to connect Bluetooth smartphone. This video should apply to these vehicles made from 2022 all the way up to 2026. Now I'm recording this video in December of 2025, so this even might apply to newer models 2027, 8 and so on. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, so this can be done through the main vehicle screen. So what you want to do, you want to press the phone button. And like it says, only connect cell phone when stationary. Search for my Volkswagen 3577 on your cell phone Bluetooth menu. So now I will continue this video by recording the screen on my phone. Now I have a bunch of paired devices here, so I will scroll all the way down to available devices, and here it is, my Volkswagen 3577, and I will press that and that will start the pairing process. This will take maybe like 5 seconds, and now I'll get a question: do I want to pair with this vehicle? And also a message, the same message appeared on the vehicle screen. So, and there is the code as well, 984527, and if this code matches the code on the vehicle, you will press pair here on the phone, and also you will confirm that on the vehicle screen, which I just did. And yeah, that's pretty much everything. Now you will get a couple of additional questions, like do you want to, okay, this Android Auto popped out. Okay, let's leave that. So do you want to allow access to messages on your phone? That's up to you, yes or no. I will say deny. And do you want to allow access to your contacts on your phone? That's also up to you. I will say deny. And once you go through these questions, that should be it. If I go all the way up, here you can see connector for calls and audio. So that means I can make phone calls and listen to the music via Bluetooth. Okay, and that's it. If you're having problems connecting to the Bluetooth, what you can try doing, just press the phone here, press settings in the bottom, and then press select cell phone, and settings again in the top, and here you want to make sure that this is check marked, so Bluetooth is actually enabled, and visibility, that it is visible. So these two things have to be active. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.